Welcome back. Now let's look at the strategy section of the retail business framework. In retail, strategy act is a guiding force that defines what we want to achieve and how we plan to get there. What we want to achieve and how we plan to get there. At the corporate level, strategy starts with selling or setting a global strategy, identifying key market, expansion plan, and competitive positioning across geographies. For a moment, I want you to visualize or imagine that you want to start a new retail organization. And that is my goal, that by the end of this training, you are able to think as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, and consult to the companies or start your own retail. So, part of the global strategy, you need to identify which market you wanted to sell or start opening your store. Or if you already have a store, the expansion strategy, the competitive positioning across geographies is what you need to start thinking. Alongside that, part of the customer strategy, we need to define the target customer segments and their evolving needs. The market is big, but we need to find out the segment which we need to target, part of the corporate strategy, part of the strategy under the customer strategy segments. Coming down to the brand strategy, focuses on how we present ourselves to the customer, shaping the brand identity, brand promise, and customer experience. That's where the marketing comes along. Then comes the portfolio strategy, where the retailer decides which categories, product lines, services it should expand, optimize, or exist to maximize the profitability, which is tightly linked to your buying and planning strategy. Then we have a channel strategy. Channel strategy is all about choosing the best sales channel, whether you wanted to open only the physical store or only online platform like Amazon, marketplaces, or blend of all to reach customer efficiently. Multiple channels that we have right now and we talked about in the fundamentals are store based, non-store based, right? You have emails, calling services, catalog services, and so on. And that's where you need to define which channel you wanted to operate in. These strategies are supported by enterprise analytics. That's another important point that I want to highlight. On what basis these strategies are made are market enterprises or the enterprise analytics, which provides data-driven insight across customer behavior, category performance, assortment, channel, marketing, in location, price, and promotions. There are different segmentation or data lakes based on which the reportings are made, which supports the corporate executives to define the strategy that we were talking about. Together, the strategic layer ensures that every decision made in planning, buying, moving, marketing, and selling aligned to the long-term business goal. In short, a strong strategy connects vision to execution and turns retail ambition into real-world success. I hope you are able to think like a strategist, part of this framework, and try to visualize that where you can add value in the organization. That's just beginning. Let's now move forward to see what we have in the next section to talk about.